Hey, let's talk dog pee. These photos coming up are going to show some before and afters of what can be accomplished when rugs are taken out of the home and washed in the shop, where they can be thoroughly flood washed, sanitized, decontaminated, which cannot be done in the home. These area rugs are from one of our customers. Wow, that's a bad one. And you can see the trouble that this little dog got into over months and months and months. We're going to restore these to almost like new, and they'll be clean and sanitary so the family can use them again. Watch the video, tell us what you think.
Hi, it's Dave with Regal Fabric here. We're located in the Boston area, and we're here with this video to show you why it's necessary on contaminated area rugs to bring them back to the shop, meaning in our location to thoroughly wash them. These two rugs go to one of our customers in the Boston area. The pictures that are incorporated into this video will show you the before and after results. From the before pictures, you can see the level of contamination. Multiple spots on both these custom cut pieces of carpeting. These are loose lay carpets that have been bound and sit over hardwood floors. You can see in some of the pictures, you'll even see the back, how the urine went through and stained the back of these. What we've done is we thoroughly washed both sides of this rug, sanitized them, put some enzymes on them to get rid of the urine, not only the odor, but the germs. So you look at the back of this now compared to the pictures that you see in the video, and there's a stark difference. These are clean, sanitary, ready to be delivered back to the customer. So when you're thinking of having area rugs or even some wall-to-walls that are completely saturated with urine, sometimes on wall-to-wall can come back to the shop with installation issues you have to contend with. But loose laid rugs like this, they always come back to the shop. They can be thoroughly washed, both sides, dried properly, and sanitized. Staining, you can do a lot more here with staining if we have your rugs for a week or two than we can in someone's house. Any questions or comments, leave them below. We look forward to hearing from you. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that little subscribe button right down there and hit the little bell. You'll be notified when we upload another video. Again, this is why you clean area rugs in the shop and not in the house.
Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.